Keeper for Teams Password Manager Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of Keeper for Teams, a password manager tailored for businesses and collaborative teams. Links to the product and exclusive offers are available in the description below. Let's dive straight into why Keeper for Teams is a standout choice for securing and managing your organization's digital credentials. Keeper for Teams is designed to provide enterprise-grade security while maintaining user-friendly functionality. It offers robust features such as zero-knowledge encryption, meaning your data is fully encrypted at all times. Even Keeper itself cannot access your passwords. It integrates seamlessly with existing identity providers like Azure AD, Okta, and Google Workspace, making onboarding and management straightforward for IT admins. For teams, it includes powerful sharing options, allowing team members to securely share credentials without compromising security. Role-based access controls ensure that every user only has access to the data they need, keeping sensitive information restricted to the right hands. The platform also shines in its advanced reporting and auditing features. Admins can generate detailed logs to monitor password hygiene, access attempts, and potential vulnerabilities, ensuring compliance with industry standards. Keeper is especially suitable for businesses that prioritize cybersecurity, as it offers integrations with security tools like SIEMs and dark web monitoring to alert you of any compromised credentials. Ease of use is another strong point. The app's intuitive design works across platforms, whether on desktop, mobile, or browser extensions, ensuring accessibility wherever you need it. Additionally, the Vault's autofill feature makes logging in fast and efficient, reducing friction for team members while enhancing productivity. Keeper for Teams is ideal for organizations of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises looking to safeguard their digital assets. With competitive pricing and scalable features, it's a solid investment in your business's security infrastructure. That wraps up our review of Keeper for Teams. Check the description for links to explore more or get started today. If you've used Keeper, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.